Hey everyone, want to manage tasks in ClickUp? In this video, I'll show you how to create, organize, and track tasks in ClickUp step by step. First, open your web browser and go to the ClickUp website. Sign in to your account and open your workspace. Next, select the **** folder **** or list * where you want to manage your tasks. Now click Create Task * and enter a clear, descriptive task name. Using specific titles makes it easier to understand what needs to be done. Add a detailed task description, attach relevant files, and include any important links or notes your team might need. Next, assign the task to yourself or a team member, then set a due date and priority level to keep work on schedule. Break larger tasks into subtasks and create checklists so complex projects are easier to manage. Use tags, custom fields, and task relationships to organize tasks and connect related work. Switch between different views like ****, list ****, board ****, calendar ****, or timeline ****, to track progress in the way that works best for you. As work progresses, update the task status, add comments, and communicate with your team directly inside the task. Finally, review completed and pending tasks regularly to keep your projects organized and your workflow running smoothly. And that's how to manage tasks in ClickUp. With organized tasks, clear priorities, and regular progress updates, you can stay productive and keep every project moving forward. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more easy technology guides.